In this lesson, we'll talk about controllers and receivers. After completing this lesson, you'll be able to visualize flight controls and identify receiver wiring.
In our case with our quadcopter, we're using a manual controller to control its elevation, its pitch, and its roll. Whenever you're trying to control your quadcopter, you make a change on the controller, the signal is sent to the antenna, and this relays directly to the flight controller. Now this one is specifically set up to use PWM, which means that we have a single wire for each channel. The controller that we have allows us to increase the throttle, allows us to pitch, roll, and yaw. And we also have some additional functionality, such as an arming switch. When this is off, we're going to make sure that no power can be applied to the motors. And when we flip it on, then we're going to be able to fly. We also have a couple knobs, and we're going to be using one of these to adjust the tilt on our camera while we fly. There are many different units on the market. This pair right here was about $25, so it's probably the most entry-level setup that you can have with both controller and receiver. You can get your own controller and you can bind it to a specific receiver. So you don't have to buy a set, but if you're just getting in and making your first build, a paired set like this can often be a good investment just to get you flying quickly.